The elimination of political opposition between 33 and 34. Hitler acted very swiftly to get rid of all political opposition to the Nazi Party. The communists were probably his biggest hatred and biggest threat, and they'd been banned after the Reichstag fire when van der Lubbe was arrested. Between May and July 1933, all other parties were banned, including those that had helped Hitler become Chancellor, the nationalist, etc. Using his powers following the Enabling Act, which meant he could pass any law he wanted to without any consultation, Hitler passed a law against the formation of parties. This meant that the Nazi Party was the only political organisation allowed in Germany. A lot of the socialist and communist leaders and key people were arrested and sent to concentration camps such as Dachau. Trade unions, which had a lot of left-wing communist supporters in, were closed down in May of 1933, but Hitler and the Nazis saw the point of having solidarity and friendship amongst the workers. So the only trade union that was allowed to exist after May 1933 was this one, which was the Nazis' own German Labour Front. So people still could feel part of a union, but it was one that the Nazis were controlling and happy with, therefore was allowed to happen. The final thing Hitler did to try and solidify his position politically was in July of 1933, he signed an agreement with the Pope known as the Concordat. Now, this basically said to the Pope that Hitler would not interfere with Catholicism and the Catholic Church in Germany at all. Now, Hitler wasn't really a religious man at all, but he also understood that if he was going to be a successful leader, he had to take the majority with him. But by signing this, the Pope was trying to solidify the Catholicism in Germany and give the Catholics some security. All he actually did was give Hitler international prestige, because the Pope, a very peaceful man, surely Adolf Hitler wouldn't get an agreement with the Pope unless he had honourable intentions himself.